In this video, I'm going to be talking about a recent case study of what got approved. As we enter in 2024, we're looking at always optimizing our strategies for success. And in this video, we're going to share what recently worked. So stay tuned for this update. J1 waivers are one of the most complicated and difficult cases to get approved. And in this video, we're going to share how we were able to get a case approved despite the recent challenging environment that has been occurring with USCIS in issuing approvals. So let's get to it so you can learn about what is working. In this case, we got a J1 waiver approved who was a physician. The J1 exceptional hardship was based off of the hardship to his US citizen spouse. To win these cases, we have to show that the J1 spouse would suffer exceptional hardship not only if the J1 spouse relocated to the home country, but also if the spouse remained in the United States without the J1. How did we show exceptional hardship if they had to relocate? Well, in this case, we focused primarily on country conditions. And then how did we demonstrate exceptional hardship if there was separation? Well, one of the ways we demonstrated this was through financial hardship. Here, the couple was a dual income family. And like many families in the United States, they need both incomes in order to be able to survive. So we talked about that. Not only that, but the health insurance was provided by the J1's job. So if they were separated, then the US citizen spouse would no longer have health insurance. The US citizen spouse was also suffering from anxiety because of the potential separation that was going to occur if the J1 visa holder had to go back home. I know from speaking to many of our clients and many of you that this is very common. There's a lot of anxiety that comes up with this separation naturally. And it's really important to be able to articulate this carefully so it's not perceived in USCIS's eyes as just being mere separation. In our legal arguments, we want to demonstrate that it's not mere separation, it's something above mere separation, because USCIS loves to say, oh, it was just mere separation, so this is an exceptional hardship, when you as a couple know that it's not just mere separation that's causing these feelings, but it's something much more than that. That's what we like to demonstrate in our argument. In total, the case took 1 year and 10 months to get approved, and we've noticed this recently with a few of our approvals. It's taken around that amount of time, and this is a very tricky situation to be in, and it's happening to many of you because this system is taking so long. We had to go ahead and file for the green card for this couple. Now, this is prematurely filing the green card. If you are thinking of this, you definitely should consult with an immigration lawyer who is very knowledgeable in this area, because this is a very tricky situation, and you want to make sure that you are taking the correct steps if you do file for the green card while the J1 waiver is pending. In this case, the J1 maintained lawful status in the US and got the J1 waiver approval he needed before his green card was adjudicated. We are grateful that they trusted us with their lives, and now the United States is going to benefit because this physician is going to be able to stay here, this couple is going to be able to stay here, and this is why we do what we do, because it just makes us feel amazing to be able to be part of this process and having a family stay together. I invite you to check out our other case study videos and other videos about the J1 waiver process. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. You can share it with friends or family who might be in the same situation, because they may need this help as well. And by watching this video, you're bettering yourself. By bettering yourself, you're bettering your family. And by bettering your family, you're bettering the world. Make sure you subscribe so you get the latest updates. Bye.